What is gel's advantage over regular polish?
The advantage of gel is that if you are a person who maybe cannot do your nails very frequently, for example, me, I only change up my nails about once a month. I don't have the luxury of being able to switch up my nails frequently. And because of that, gel is a great option for me, especially because I touch acetone, and gel is acetone resistant to a certain point. So if you are like me, where I'm constantly touching polish all the time, this is a great option. And also, part of the reason I really like gel products is because it has gorgeous pigmentation, as you can see. It's a one coater, just like Maniology stamping polishes. Beautiful.